crib. If you're looking for someone to change your life, I can be. Yo, what's up, YouTube? We back with another one.
Why she all up it? That's all you gonna hear.
Right, come, go over there. This is a vlog. Hold on.
Where is he?
He up there.
He in the middle?
Yes. So yeah, y'all, this is a vlog. We just downtown in Atlanta right now, but we finna go, as y'all see by the title, we finna go to the dog show. We got all the dogs. We got my niece, Moke. Say hey. We got, who this is to me? My sister. Oh, well, not you, bitch. But we got Ken, though. We got our new little sister.
Oh, she don't like camera, sorry.
This the new one. And then we got
Ghost.
We got our brother Ghost. Hey. Hi, Ghost.
Look, now she wanna look at my camera, look.
Here go her little man. That little girl so mean, bro.
Auntie.
She mean and bad.
Desmores.
She look tired. Look, she probably don't got nothing.
Wait a minute. Look, that thing done failed. Daytime, look right there. Come on, you tired, mama?
But over there. Oh my gosh, she done messed up my pants. Where did she get brown stuff from?
Brown stuff?
Yes, this stuff was not all on my pants.
What brown stuff?
Look at this. My bad, y'all. But yeah, we just
take off funeral at, cause it's somewhere down here.
We just shit.
Oh, bless you.
Thank you. But yeah, we just downtown. Today my dad's birthday or whatever, so he just down here shopping or whatever, buying some alligator shoes and stuff. But I guess I'll come back to y'all when we got the dog show or whatever. And then I guess at the end of this vlog, I guess we could just sing him a happy birthday or something, or just give him his gift.
This bitch just sharp.
Or, you know, whatever. I don't know how I really want to do it, but I want this to be a dog show, but today is his birthday. And my dad, he don't be liking all that recording stuff. Well, he do, but I ain't finna force them if they don't, like my mama them, sometimes, you know, sometimes she really want to do it, but that's besides the point. I'm just gonna get back to y'all when we at the dog show. Oh yeah, and if some of y'all don't know what it's a dog show, y'all gonna see when we get there.
You think if I open the door, it's gonna make that noise?
No, the key in here.
Alright.
So yeah. Peace. Okay, y'all, we at the dog show.
You gonna trade your jacket?
Okay.
We go.
Ma.
Stop trying to fight him. Why does she keep walking here, boss?
Okay, y'all, so we in the inside. Say something.
I can't go up. I can't go up because I don't got no thing.
Oh yeah, cause that lady checking and shit, cause everybody start walking past. Everybody start walking past. She talking about, oh, what up? And then they made that man pay $100 for his wristband. They said, oh no, you paid for the wrong one.
What you mean you paid for the wrong one? Y'all should have told him that.
But he was trying to do the car show. He tried to do the car show one. Here she goes. Girl, bring us a
believe this is for Best in Show winner.
Bro, why she keep on doing that?
Best in Show went to the American Bully.
Everybody got fluffy. Come on, you gotta leave that dog alone. Let it be.
Cause I ain't saved you.
She wanna get picked up.
Everybody gonna advertise, so
Acting like so.
that's a shame.
They look like
Shit, the only thing she could probably wear is fucking, I don't know, I should got that from Mocha the Father. Right there. I should have got one for that. Oh, girl. Oh, look at the $2 over there. You need something for her. I might have a little more clear coat. I was trying to get... She needs some clothes. I think she should get the... yeah, that's what I'm saying. The little... Snores should get the little... Yeah. The small kind. I gotta put the pimple on my head, bitch. Shit, that's hard. Come on. Go get her a little t-shirt. Might well get her. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They could be twins. Uh-huh. Hi, Tiny.
What are you doing?
We still have time for the first show until the category gets called. So, up next we got the best standard female Frenchie. Should be waiting to go in the ring. That's 20, 25, 28, 47, 50, 59, 116, 87, and 142. All right, next up on the booty side, we got best female trial next. All right, we have a winner. Best female trial next. 113, 124, 83, 100, and 124. You're on deck.
Hey, just her first shit. Oh, dang, he's slapping him down to the ground.
Oh, you scared that big old dog, huh?
Yo, that'll be. Dog slapping folks.
I love dog like that. And I started trying to ride him on his back. Like I got an extra booty.
I just ain't nothing dog. Slap you down. Man.
All right, when I call your number, go ahead and get dog down there.
Can you not put me on that camera?
Big.
Put your tongue.
I got vibes every day, I got trust. Don't you cut up, stay on the corner with me. Take them straight out the apartments on me, just
What's up, YouTube? We back. I'm talking about we back. I'm back, y'all. I was supposed to record for yesterday. I was supposed to end it off. It was supposed to be like a little vlog or whatever for the dog show. But, you know, we did, after the dog show, we had went out to eat because it was my dad's birthday. So, happy birthday to my dad. But I couldn't go get him no present or nothing. And plus, I wanted to buy him some shoes. These alligator shoes. But I knew it wasn't going to come in time. So, well, we had went there yesterday. I think I said that in the vlog. I don't know. But, you know. So, I couldn't buy him nothing. So, I just went to go get him some money. But I was trying to get him. I supposed to been had got the money. Let's park over here. Sorry, y'all. I'm driving, but is these reserved? So, good thing no car wasn't. Cause that was a sharp turn. So, hold on, y'all. I like to get in the car when you. So, right now though, y'all, we finna I'm going to I couldn't get him nothing or whatever. So I'm like, shoot, what would everybody would like? Money. So I tried to get him some money out, but I guess I tried to get it out on Friday, and I guess because Friday it was Veterans Day, I couldn't, like, the ATM wasn't working. So I waited all today. It's Sunday. I couldn't go yesterday. Well, I could have went yesterday. I was finna go in the morning time, but I had when I woke up, I had went directly right back to sleep. So I'm like, man, what in the world? So by the time I had woke up, it was time for us to go anyway. So I had just left it alone. Y'all. So, you know. So today I went to go get it. And wait, which one should I buy first? I'm gonna buy this first. So, you know, I had just, what's it called, Lou? Hold on, I'm going in that beauty supply now. I need a mask. But, yeah, y'all, so I do want the, little dread things. I've been trying to get some extensions, but is these real wigs? I don't want in the wig section. But, hold on. Excuse me? Mm-hmm. Where's the, masks, like, ski masks type?
We have at the front.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here. We have
Right here.
the color and black one.
Okay. And do y'all have the cotton ones too?
We don't have. Yeah, only we have that.
Just those? Mm-hmm. Okay. Can I get this one?
Blue one?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. I like this. Is this a hat? Anytime, y'all. I'll come back to y'all when I get the cake and stuff, man. Come and pay for this stuff and go ahead and leave. And plus, this stuff is expensive over here, so. I can tell cause I ain't hiding. I put a little energy in like on my alphabet. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so this my little mask I got. Then I got a little hat or whatever. But look, y'all, I got this stuff. So we finna just go on to the house, and then yeah. So I'll see y'all when I get to the house. Peace. Okay, y'all. So I'm back at the house, and of course my dad not even here. So we're gonna have to wait till he get here.
Oh, you trying to bite you. Thank you. Well,
yeah, y'all. But yeah, y'all. I guess We just gonna wait till he get back. And yeah. Actually, I'm finna call him.
He ain't coming back.
He ain't.
Mom. It's almost 6 o'clock. You got 1 minute. Stop.
Should I tell him we got a surprise?
You ain't really call him.
Should we tell him we got a surprise?
I don't know.
He ain't answer. He probably doing something, y'all. Oh, this man got my look like.
This is wine. Get me off that camera. She trying to kiss them. Girl, get that. It's already Coca going around. I'm trying to sleep. Oh, what the hell?
You like my hat?
Who hat you got?
I bought it at the beauty supply stuff.
Bella boy.
Mom, do you know when he come back?
Not coming back.
Well, I guess he won't get his surprise. Hey guys. Say hey to them. Twin. She ain't go to the show y'all. Cause you know she disappointed though, really. We were trying to take all the like I mean she got some stuff in her blood, but like you know, her coat is plain basically, so and the puppies in there I ain't finna wait them more cause they be going too much. But yeah, y'all, I guess I'll see y'all whenever it is. And
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
alright, bro.